Hello, my name is Jakub Lisowski, and today I wanted to talk about object lifecycle in Java. So basically, like any other lifecycle, for example, in humans, it's pretty simple. Yeah, like with humans, humans are being born, then they do something in their life. Let's say they educate, they go to work, stuff like this, and then they die. Like it's. I know it's very tough example, but it's the simplest way to explain the life cycle, and it's kind of the same in Java. So yeah, I broke this down into 7 sections. So this is all the phases in object lifecycle. So it's creation, in use, invisible, unreachable, collected, finalized, and deallocated. So the first phase, creation. It's when the object is being created, new memory is allocated for this object, and it lives in memory heap of the JVM. It's pretty simple. The second phase is in use. Objects that are held by at least one strong reference are considered to be in use. So there's an example with an animal. So yeah, as you can see here, animal is a strong reference to an animal object. The next phase is invisible. So objects are invisible when there are no longer any strong references that are accessible to the program. Invisible objects can cause unnecessary memory blockage and can impact on performance as well. So yeah, they are not being used, but they are still there. So they are taking up the memory, and this is when we call them invisible. Unreachable, so an object enters an unreachable state when no more strong references to it exist. When an object is unreachable, then it is in a state for a collection. And here is an example. So it's the example from in use state. I mean, the first line is copied from in use state, and here in the second line we can see that the object becomes unreachable in this line, in second line. The next state is when object is being collected. It's when the garbage collector has recognized an object as unreachable and readies it for final processing as precursor to the allocation. If the object has a finalize method, then it is marked for finalization. Next state, finalized. An object is in the finalized state if it's in unreachable after its finalized method. If any has been run, a finalized object is awaiting the allocation. And the last but not least, the allocated. So the allocated state is the final step in the garbage collection if an object is still unreachable after all the above work has done. Then it's in the state for the allocation. Thank you very much for your attention.